she come back again.
Hi sweets, welcome back to the channel today. Yes, how are you guys doing? I am back with another wig review as per usual. This one is so cute. Y'all know how I get when I'm like, oh, this wig is fire. And she is definitely that. This is Miss Jamelia. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. And I got her in two different colors. This beautiful chocolate swirl one on my head, and of course always a #1, because I know that you guys like seeing these colors, and I wanted to try out something different. And she's a middle part, but she can also be a right side part. So y'all just got to stay tuned so you can see how I work both of these beautiful colors. If you are new to this channel, my name is Sweetie, and I do a lot of wig reviews over here, honey. Some blogging, but mostly wig reviews. So if you're new and you just hopped into this video, go ahead and think about subscribing at the link below, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. For my sweets that's been rocking me since the beginning, as per always, I appreciate you guys so much. I appreciate you commenting and watching my video. And now let's get right into this drip. What it do, my sweets? Welcome back to the channel. I got two sexy drips for you. This is Miss Jamelia. Got her in two colors. Can you see this gorgeous chocolate swirl? Wait till I get it out of this packaging. And like, of course, I told you I got two colors. I also got her in the #1. I am very excited about these wigs. I'm going to get her out of all of this packaging. And we're going to look at this wig construction and figure out if she is a slay or nay. Right off the back, the swirl color of the different browns and chocolates, it's so sexy. Same as the model stock card, very beautiful. I'm loving it already. Look at those curls, that texture. She's a yaki texture. We're going to get into the cap construction. So first off, there's no lace to cut, ladies, okay? Beginner friendly wig. So we have two combs off to the side. Just get that little packaging off of there. So two combs off to either side. We also have a comb in the back, and it also has adjustable straps. And the cap is very breathable. It does come with a band, not like in the placement, but we could talk about that later. Here's our parting space. That needs to be plucked a little bit, but we'll get into that later. Get into this color. Do you see the color? So here is our #1 as per usual. All right, she's looking very sexy too. Again, the texture is very beautiful. Same cap construction, no lace to cut, just that lace parting area. Yes. So let's hop one of these beauties on. So here's where I'm going to put my adjustable straps. Yes. So let's put on Miss Chocolate Swirl. Ow. I'm so excited about this, you guys. Ooh. This is very beautiful. Parting, like I said, needs a little bit of work, but just right off the bat, I was getting a little bit of tangling and a little bit of shedding, but other than that, she's so beautiful, so soft, you guys. So soft. I mean, man, just look at that color. That is very gorgeous. And this is a middle part. She does come, you can shift her as a right part as well, but I'm just wearing her as a middle part, and then I will shift it to the right side. As you can see, I was having a little bit of trouble with those combs just because of where the band placement is. So that band is annoying. But again, this unit is gorgeous. She's very soft, very interchangeable. She's very cute, giving you some side views of her. I'm going to turn around. The density on this wig is great. Very beautiful. She's long. She comes down all the way to my butt. I am 5'4". So she is a long, pretty unit. So I'm going to try to untangle these. As you can see, I was trying to untangle it from the band. Not my wig grip, y'all. The band. And then I am shifting her to a right side part. She is fire either way that you want to wear her. So now I'm going to try to put those combs back in, and just know when you are shifting her that the comb on the right side, it'll be down near your ear. So just be cognizant of that. But she is beautiful. Look how them curls just kind of bounce back. Yes, come through now. Come through. Yes, and this color is so pretty. I know y'all be like, how many times you gonna say that? But this color is gorgeous, y'all. I'm really feeling it. I'm like, okay. So this is our final look for this DR chocolate swirl. She is very beautiful. Y'all leave me some comments and let me know. Yes. So let's put this black on. Again, parting area definitely needs work. Same as the other unit, but she is still pretty. But again, you'll need to do a little bit of work. But to each his own. But for me, I need that parting area to be very visible, that it's a parting area. And again, I was having the same problem with that band being in the way. I was getting a little bit of shedding, you know, when I combed her out and finger combed her out, getting the same things that I was getting with the last one. The density on here and everything is the same. Doing you some sides, and then I'm also going to turn around and again show you the back. Same density and everything still comes down to my butt, just as long as it was before. So all of that is still the same. Yes, she's cute, huh? Cute, baby. Cute, cute, cute. Now we're going to go ahead and shift her again, just like we did the other one, so you can see what it looks like. Again, my complaint is that band. Ugh. You're going to hear me saying that 1,000 times. I wish they stopped putting the band right up there at the front. To me, that is the wrong placement for a band. But whatever, to each his own. So again, I was struggling with that comb and that band, trying to get it into place. So once I finally got that in, you know, it was in, was nice, it was set. So as a middle part and as a right side part, either one, she is beautiful. She looks like a beautiful blowout. I love it. It's so gorgeous. Which color do you guys like? The black, or do you like the swirl? So again, like I was saying, I went in and I cut that band out because it was annoying. Got it out of my way. And then, like I told you, it needed a little bit of plucking for my liking. So I'm going to go in, going to use some tweezers, and I'm going to pluck inside of that parting area. And I'm going to pull like strand by strand so that I'm not messing it up. And as you can see, I didn't open it up to more to my liking. Looks a lot better than what it did. So now that parting area right there, I'm going to go in and use some of my tint spray. The tint spray will be linked down below, you guys, so that you know which one that I'm using. So I'm just going to spray some of that on there. I'm going to let that dry. And then again, I did the same thing to the chocolate swirl. And I'm just going to go in and tint that part of the lace as well. Let it dry. Cut that band out, of course, because it was very annoying. I did not like the band. So I'm going to cut that out. Got that done. Then I'm going to hop this unit back on so you can see what it looks like. After we kind of finagled it a little bit, and I was like, yes, you can see the smile on my face. It was much easier to get the combs in there with all that band out of the way. That parting space looks a whole lot better, you guys, okay? And I'm like, I was still getting some shedding and tangling, so I went in with some of my olive oil and put it on the hair, which made it very nice, very slick. It took care of like some of that shedding, and it also took care of some of them tangles as well. And this is my final look with Miss DR Chocolate Swirl. What do you guys think? She's beautiful. Yes, let's talk about it, y'all. All right, sweet. So I am back. I hope you enjoyed that preview into this beautiful drip. Like I said, got her in 2 colors. So we're going to start off with this beautiful brown swirl color that I got on my head, okay? Miss Jamelia. What can I say, y'all? Go get her like now. So, of course, again, here is our stock card. And the color is DR2 Chocolate Swirl, okay? And like I'm telling you, this is the most fires color. This is actually the color of my real hair. And I don't know why I don't gravitate toward it a lot. It's just like I really like the black, the number one. That's what I want my hair color to be. But anywho, my real hair color is like this. And so sometimes when I see it, I'm like, it may look cute, it may not look cute, but all on this beautiful melanin, okay? You can't say that this color ain't fire, okay? This is sexy as hell. So let's get into some of the construction of this. So this is part of Outre's, the Daily Wig collection. Now, the first thing that I like about this is that there is no lace to cut off. So if you're a beginner to wearing wigs, this is one that's very good for you. So that's the first thing off of the bat that gives it a thumbs up for me, okay? And then next thing is the texture. This is a textured wig. You can see the texture in here. It's a yaki texture. Yaki, and it's so soft. It feels like a beautiful blowout, okay? Thumbs up number 2, okay? We all good so far. It says hand-tied lace part, so you only have that little parting right up there. And as y'all seen in the beginning, it wasn't good enough for me, so I went in and plucked me a little bit more of my parting area, okay, so that you can see it a little bit more. And then I went in with my tint spray and tinted it so you can see it just a little bit more. So that'll be like, for me, is that the parting space wasn't plucked well enough for me, but you know, to each his own. So it says premium synthetic fiber, it says breathable mesh cap, it says heat friendly, but it doesn't tell me how much heat you can put on it. I would say go to like the lowest level because you don't want to change the texture of the hair or burn the hair if you got it too hot. And then the other thing I didn't like was that elastic band. It was not placed. I hate it when they place the band up here in the front. For me, that irritates the hell out of me, excuse my French, but it's like it's in the way. As you see, I was struggling to try to get the combs in because that band was in the way. So I'm like, I'm just gonna cut it out. So I cut it out of both of my wigs, okay? To each his own. You guys can leave yours in, but it really wasn't doing anything for me, and it was loose in the back. So it's a lot better. I tightened up those adjustable straps, and I got the combs up front, and it's very secure on my head. So again, to each his own, sisters and brothers, okay? And then it comes in an array of colors. So I will tell you, I seen a review on the DRF Red Velvet. Is that the name of it? Girl, I'm going to go get that, okay? Y'all always say, I always warn y'all before I upload my videos, I go in, if I like a wig, I'll go in and rebuy it before I upload this video. Because this one is gonna sell out, okay? And that red velvet, the way they got that burgundy, ooh, it's fire. I'll try to see if I can put a clip in here of the YouTuber that did it, but that was fire, and I'm going to go and get that too. But I am like feeling this wig. You guys leave some comments below and let me know which color you like. You know, was it the black or was it this beautiful chocolate swirl? For me, it's definitely the swirl. Although I love my number one, but this one is just beautiful. I just love it. And y'all know what we do on this channel. Is it a slay or nay? Comment below. Y'all know what we do. Yes, 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 yes. So until next time, my sweets, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me some comments below. Leave me some thumbs up if you appreciated the video. Again, if you just slid into this video, think about subscribing as well. Follow me on my Instagram. And until next time, sweets, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.